Ready? Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/stints, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/stints. See you soon. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday. How are we doing today, everybody? Welcome in. Good to see you. But guys, all right, let's go over the system for today. A lot to do, a lot to build. I'm really pumped about it, really excited. It's a monster. So you can see it right there in the chat. !1 build. There's the specs. Let's talk about it. Today's build is for Learn, so you're gonna see most of it today. Got some other things coming for you haven't seen yet. I talked about today's build. CPU we were going with for Learn's system is none other but the monster 5950X 16-core CPU. For cooling, we got the Corsair H150i Elite Capellix. That's all white. We're putting this all on the fantastic motherboard. Is Learn here for the build? Yeah, Learn should be here. She should be in here around like 11. So she'll be watching probably around 11. I should make a live and watch. So we'll see. For the motherboard, guys, we have the Asus ROG Crosshair there's a 13. I'm sorry. Wait, 13? No, 8. 8. Sorry, these are 5. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. It's a Dark Hero. Okay, I had a brain fart for a second. We have the Dark Hero ATX motherboard for the RAM. 64 gigabytes of GSkill Trident Z Neo 3600 megahertz CL14. That's insane. That's some fast RAM. 64 gigabytes of 3600 megahertz CL14 RAM. Our friends over at GSkill. Storage. A primary drive is going to be Samsung 1 terabyte, a 980 Pro Gen 4 drive. It's an NVMe, a Gen 4 NVMe 4.0 drive. We've got secondary storage is going to be Western Digital 2 terabyte M.2 SSD. And then we're putting this all in the iCUE 400X RGB mid-tower case. And we've got 6 white Corsair Capellix fans going in the system. They're the SP RGB Elites. And then we've got some white braided cables from Asia Horse. To top it off, we've got the EVGA RTX 3090 FTW3 Ultra 24 gigabyte graphics card. It is a monster. It's a monster. And powering it, well, we've got nothing over there but the Be Quiet 1200 watt platinum power supply, all the power needed and more. 1,000 watts were out of stock. We're gonna go with 1,000 watt platinum, and it was like $5 more. We got a 1200 watt. So I was like, you know what, we're good. Actually, we'll open it up nice and slow so you guys can see this. All right. Here's Dark Hero. Schmo and I looked at it yesterday because this is the board that actually Schmoza here in chat wants, and it's a monster. To say the least, it's a monster. You guys ready for this? It's so beautiful indeed. Yeah, this board is probably one of our favorite Ryzen boards right now. It's gorgeous. It's literally gorgeous. This would be probably a better angle for it, so it doesn't have as much glare. Still a little bit of glare because of lights. There it is. It's gorgeous. Probably one of the nicest boards you're going to see on the Ryzen platform. We've built, we did Lady Geeks build. We did use a Meg from MSI. That was really nice as well. But I really like this Dark Hero. Dark Hero is a monster board. The ROG branding at the top, yeah, it's really nice. All right, it's crack open. Oh my gosh, we have delivery already? Yeah, thank you. All right, chat, talk about that. Somebody said they were delivering a birthday cake to our commercial complex, and I was like, could be for me. Today is my birthday. They're like, oh, happy birthday. No, sorry about that. Sorry, chat. All right, let's get started. Yes, that cake, that's for you. Is it really for me? Oh, was it from you, Blur's Gaming Dad? Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Alright, hold on. Oh my god, hold on. Because he's like, is there a flood here? I'm like, who's flood? You know what I mean? I'm like, who's flood? I'm like, and now I realize, duh, Blur's Gaming Dad. Alright, here we go. Oh, alright, chat. We're gonna go top down on this. This is awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Here, we're gonna turn it around. That's awesome. That is awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Whoever, I'm guessing is Blue Average Gaming Dad. And, that's awesome, dude. Thank you so much. Guys, if you went on, I appreciate that. That means a lot. That's really cool. Oh, dude, like, this is how every Ryzen socket should be. Like, there's actually adequate pressure when you just feel the socket. Let me get this beautiful 5950X in there, this monster of a CPU. There we go. Grab this 980 Pro. Sexy motherboard indeed, yeah. This is one of the best Ryzen motherboards out there. Low price here. It's the best. Based on that, what Lurn's objectives were with single PC streaming, the one single PC, it was a no-brainer to go this route over this motherboard. I get both our NVMe drives in. Next is going to be all of our RAM. All the RAM, yeah, all the RAM indeed. I'll give you the first look at this case. I'm going to pop off this front panel. We're going to put in the glass panel on. Nothing too crazy, nothing too big. Great airflow, plenty of power. Beautiful, nice white case from Corsair. We're going to go top down, mount this gorgeous motherboard. The black on the white doesn't look sick on this board. Snack break. Alright. Little bulk beef jerky time. Cream barbecue. Oh my god. That cream barbecue is so good. Need my hand sanitizer and cleaner. What brand is this? This is a Ryzen hand cleaner. Cables are running the front fans. There we go. Looking good. What do you think, chat? Looking good? Lurn, looking good? We're gonna do fans last. We're gonna do power supply, Brady cables next. All right. Is Lurn still? Lauren, are you here? What do you think? Are you okay with that? The over the top of the cables. All right. Power supply time. Be quiet. Platinum, 1200 watts. More than enough for the system and some. Technically, probably run two systems off this power supply. Deployment for one. The Fanatec revolts that we do use from time to time do offer a dual PC power. One cable, dual cable. Wait, Lurn, are you using any of your SATA? Heck no, awesome. Good. So I'm getting rid of the drive then. There's more space for these big old honking cables. Let's start working on the LEDs and all the cables now. We're getting really close, chat. We've got 3 fans and GPU and just running cables. Rear fan in. Guys, if you like the builds that we're doing like this today, we build these. We build them on stream. You can ask us to request your build. If we're building a PC for you, you can request it in our Discord. So you just hit Discord. Go in there and say, hey, since you're building one of my PCs for me, can you build it on stream? Sure can. Look at your date, your time, your system. If it makes sense, we'll make sure to build it on stream for you. Says, where's the best place for retail customer to buy Corsair fans that you have in Lurn's PC? Newegg has them actually. We got it from Newegg Business. We have a business account with Newegg, so we have our own rep, stuff like that. Newegg Business have them. They're called the SP120 RGB Elites. They're like $80. They're fantastic fans for $80. They have all the RGB control. I mean, a lot of people go for like the LO120s or The iCUE, or the QL120 or the LO120, they're overkill, honestly. Unless you're doing like some crazy RGB, they're overkill. And these SP Elites, they're a newer fan. They are actually phenomenal for airflow and for static pressure. So they're really good for like case fans, exhaust fans, rad fans. And for 80 bucks for a 3-pack, they're really, really, really good. Let's take a look at what we just did. The cable routing. It's tough. Woo! It's hot. So I was just routing all of these in the back. For the hub. Can you see the hub? All running off that hub. All the fans, all the fan control, all the RGB control. A lot. Alright, it's time for the graphics card. I'll let you guys take a peek at all the cable management I just did in the back. Nice and neat. For Lurn. Anything like that? Do you want a cable manage like that, Lurn? This has to be tied up right here, but... Alright, here we go. Ready, chat? Time for this honker. Oh, ever heard that thunk? Don't worry, the back though is actually the metal on the back, not the card. Bruh. Bruh. Is that how you want me to say it? Bruh. Whew. She is done. There it is. That's a shot right there, right? Not it? Ready? Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us some love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/stints. Come over, say hello, watch us build a PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.